Saw James Taylor in Fenway Park in Boston last year, and this was better. This is a beautiful show.
Another fabulous night with Darren Coggan. We've seen him before, and fabulous performer. Terrific show.
Take to the highway, won't you lend me your name?
It was a truly fantastic show. We've always loved the Cat Stevens shows, and I think this is even better.
I've seen fire and I've seen rain.
We saw Darren Coggan do Cat Stevens, unbelievable. This is even better.
How sweet it is to be loved by you. And I'll be there, yes I'll be there. You've got a friend.
Oh, fantastic.
Great voices.
Great music, great voices.
Yeah, really fantastic.
And a great story.
Rockabye, sweet baby James.
Excellent.
Shout to the people you love with love. Show them the way that you feel. I know things are gonna be much better if we only will.